What's up everybody again out there in YouTube land? This is Jose with PetRockMedia.com. Welcome back to the channel. We are here with a brand new video, and today we're going to do an unboxing, continuing with our series on the DJI Osmo Pocket. Today we're taking a look at the Freewell wide angle lens for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay everyone, again, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you're notified each and every time we post content on our channel. So continuing with the DJI Osmo Pocket as your main YouTube studio camera, we talked about utilizing the video quality that you can get out of it. We've talked about some microphones. We talked about the Comica microphone that we got in. Right now I'm actually utilizing a lavalier microphone courtesy of that DJI USB Type-C microphone adapter, the Aspen microphone. I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link if you're looking to purchase one of these. This is a pretty old microphone as far as I've had it for about 4 years. So if I can't find the exact one, I will definitely link to one that is just like it in terms of quality and build. What I do like about this though is the little tinfoil Altoid style case. But the star of the show today is the Freewell wide angle lens. Now, one of the big complaints about utilizing the DJI Osmo Pocket specifically as a vlog camera was the microphones, and then now the wide angle of the lens. It's just really not as wide as some vloggers would like without having to really extend their arm or use some type of selfie stick or longer Gorilla Pod or anything like that to make it a little bit further from your face. So in steps Freewell, and they create this wide angle lens that they tout as having no blurriness in the corners, because there are other wide angle lenses out there that you can pick up for your Osmo Pocket, but the curves, the edges seem to be very blurry and only really focus center of the shot. This lens, however, is touting that there is no blurriness. It's sharp edge to edge. So we're gonna go ahead, take out the Batarang knife. We're gonna unbox this bad boy, and then I'm gonna show you while we're recording, because apparently you should be able just to install it. It's just like any other filter where you can simply attach it with the magnets that are built into the Osmo Pocket. So let's take a look and see what we get here. Okay, so once you pull the little, kind of like the little easy tear, you get a little bag or a little trifold that's going to have some stickers. Wow, you get some stickers, some Freewell stickers. You get, wow, video tutorials. So it kind of teaches you what is ISO, things like that. Your warranty card, your filter guide, so it goes over filters because they do sell ND filters for this thing as well. So you get a pretty well designed, very vibrant, the text is very clear to read, so that's a pretty cool thing that you get with it. And then you get the actual filter, so there's some plastic on it, and then you get the filter, which is nice. It's a nice magnetic case. You go like that. And here is the star of the show. Here is the little lens that you get. So let's go ahead and do a live test right now. Right now there's no lens filter or anything on my Osmo Pocket. And let's go ahead and put this on to see what it looks like when you install it. And there you go. So what do you guys think? Just by using the little screen, I could see on the DJI Osmo Pocket that it incredibly opened the field of view on the video. So let's take it off. So this is the shot right now without the filter, and then now this is what it looks like with the filter back on. Now there's the ultra wideness that this lens can provide you in conjunction with your DJI Osmo Pocket. I think it looks pretty good. Definitely something that you can utilize now for vlogging, utilizing the Comica microphone that we discussed in the previous video. And again, I'll leave that video up here. That is something that you can definitely take advantage of if you are interested in making the scene a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more wider. Some people like that over wide dramatic effects. Some people like the more in close, tighter shot. It's entirely up to you. It's personal preference. However, I think for the value and for the money, this Freewell wide angle lens, which retails for $29.99, so after taxes about 32 bucks. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description below as well if you're looking to purchase one of these things. I think it does a pretty good job if you're into vlogging and if you're trying to get the smallest, most compact system that can technically be pocketable in your pocket outside of, having to take the lens filter with you. I don't think you could beat anything smaller than the DJI Osmo Pocket. Some people use their cell phones a lot because they already have it with them, you know, usually at all times. But again, I think this particular system offering the 4K 60, the small compact size that this camera is, along with the many different features, the time-lapse features and things like that, I think the Osmo Pocket is a major win, and I highly recommend it if you're looking to get into vlogging, or if you're also wanting to utilize it for your main YouTube studio camera. Let me know what you all think down in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, 2 thumbs down, and I will catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.